AI in modern IT, how SREs, DevOps engineers, and SysAdmins use AI today. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept reserved for research labs or tech giants. Today, AI is actively reshaping how IT infrastructure is built, monitored, secured, and scaled. From site reliability engineering to DevOps pipelines and traditional system administration, AI tools are becoming part of everyday workflows. This video explores how AI is currently being used in SRE, DevOps, and system administration roles. We'll look at real-world use cases, practical tools, benefits, limitations, and what this shift means for engineers working in production environments today. This is not hype. This is how AI is actually being used on the ground. What do we mean by AI in IT operations? In the context of IT operations, AI does not usually mean general intelligence or autonomous decision-making systems. Instead, it refers to practical applications such as machine learning models that analyze logs and metrics, natural language processing for incident analysis and documentation, predictive analytics for capacity and failure forecasting, automation systems enhanced by pattern recognition, AI-assisted coding and configuration generation. These systems are designed to augment human operators, not replace them. AI and Site Reliability Engineering (SRE). The SRE Challenge SRE teams are responsible for maintaining reliability at scale. Modern systems generate millions of metrics per minute, continuous logs from distributed services, frequent deployments and configuration changes, complex dependencies across microservices. Human-only monitoring no longer scales. AI for observability and monitoring. One of the most impactful uses of AI in SRE is intelligent observability. AI-powered monitoring systems can detect anomalies without predefined thresholds, learn normal behavior patterns over time, identify subtle degradation before outages occur. Instead of alerting when a static threshold is crossed, AI can alert when behavior deviates from learned baselines. This reduces alert fatigue, false positives missed, early warning signals. AI-assisted incident detection and root cause analysis during an outage. Time is critical. AI helps SRE teams by correlating metrics, logs, and traces, automatically highlighting likely root causes based on historical incidents, identifying which recent change most likely triggered failure rather than manually searching dashboards and logs. Engineers receive ranked hypotheses. This shortens mean time to detect (MTTD), mean time to resolve (MTTR), predictive reliability and capacity planning. AI models can analyze trends in traffic growth, resource utilization, error rates. This enables forecasting when systems will hit capacity limits, predicting likely failure windows, planning scaling events before users are affected. Predictive reliability turns firefighting into engineering. SRE guardrails, not autopilot. Importantly, AI does not replace SRE judgment. Most teams use AI to recommend actions, flag risks, simulate outcomes. Final decisions remain human-controlled, especially in high-risk production environments. AI in DevOps pipelines. The DevOps complexity problem. Modern DevOps pipelines involve CI/CD workflows, infrastructure as code, container orchestration, multi-cloud deployments. AI helps manage this complexity by automating analysis and optimization. AI for CI/CD optimization. AI-enhanced pipelines can detect flaky tests, identify build bottlenecks, recommend pipeline optimizations, predict build failures before execution completes. This leads to faster deployments, reduced wasted compute, more reliable releases. AI-assisted code review and quality. AI tools are increasingly used to review pull requests, detect insecure patterns, flag performance issues, and enforce coding standards. These tools don't replace peer review but act as a first-pass reviewer, catching common issues before humans step in. Infrastructure as code. With AI assistance, DevOps teams now use AI to generate Terraform, CloudFormation, or Kubernetes manifests, validate configurations, detect misconfigurations before deployment. AI can also explain existing infrastructure code, making onboarding easier for new team members. Security in DevOps. AI for shift-left security. AI plays a major role in DevSecOps by scanning dependencies for vulnerabilities, detecting secrets in code repositories, identifying risky configuration changes. This allows security issues to be addressed before production deployment. AI and system administration. The modern SysAdmin role. System administration has evolved. Today's SysAdmins manage hybrid and cloud environments, identity and access systems, patch management, compliance and auditing. AI helps reduce repetitive workload while improving visibility. AI for log analysis and troubleshooting. SysAdmins often deal with massive log volumes. AI can group similar log events, identify unusual activity, highlight error patterns humans would miss. This turns logs from noise into actionable insight. Patch management and risk assessment. AI-assisted patch systems can rank patches by risk, predict likelihood of exploitation, recommend optimal patch windows instead of patching everything blindly. SysAdmins can prioritize based on real risk. User support and IT operations. AI-powered assistants are used internally to answer common IT support questions, generate troubleshooting steps, automate ticket categorization. This frees SysAdmins to focus on higher-value engineering work. Configuration drift detection. AI helps detect unauthorized changes, drift from baseline configurations, policy violations across large fleets. This is especially valuable in regulated environments. Cross-role benefits of AI across SRE, DevOps, and SysAdmin roles. AI consistently delivers reduced manual toil, faster incident resolution, better decision-making under pressure, improved system reliability, lower operational risk. AI acts as a force multiplier, not a replacement. Limitations and risks of AI in it. Despite its benefits, AI is not magic. Data quality matters. AI systems are only as good as the data they receive. Poor metrics, incomplete logs, or biased datasets lead to poor outcomes. Explainability is critical. Engineers must understand why an AI system made a recommendation. Black box decisions are dangerous in production. Over-automation risks. Blindly trusting AI actions without human oversight can cause cascading failures. Security and supply chain risks. AI tools themselves become part of the attack surface. They must be secured, audited, and monitored like any other system. How teams successfully adopt AI. Organizations that succeed with AI in IT follow these principles. Start with augmentation, not automation. Keep humans in the loop. Measure outcomes, not hype. Integrate AI into existing workflows. Train engineers to understand AI outputs. AI works best when it supports experienced professionals, not when it replaces them. The future of AI in operations. Looking ahead, we can expect more predictive systems, better cross-tool correlation, AI-generated runbooks, smarter incident simulations, deeper integration with infrastructure platforms. The future is not autonomous IT, it is AI-assisted engineering. What this means for engineers. For SREs, DevOps engineers, and SysAdmins, AI is becoming a core skill area. Engineers who understand AI-assisted tools can evaluate AI recommendations critically, know when to trust and when to override, will be more effective, not less relevant. Conceptualization AI is already changing how IT operations work, quietly, practically, and incrementally. In SRE, it improves reliability and incident response. In DevOps, it accelerates delivery and improves quality. In system administration, it reduces toil and enhances control. The goal is not fewer engineers. The goal is better engineered systems. AI is not replacing IT professionals. It is becoming one of their most powerful tools.